Hi! Hi! Ayoko! Ayoko na!
So today, pupunta kami ng Wave Point para mag-dinner. Hi kids.
This is your mom and dad.
Mom and dad.
Wow, my This is your mom.
And I'm your dad.
I'm the daughter.
I'm Uncle Tony.
Come on guys, we're going to set the dinner.
Yan na lang.
Ibahin nyo naman, parang 5 minutes worth of ganun lang yun.
Ganun lang yun. Pinyard sila. Sige, ako.
So, yun po, no? Dito kami ngayon sa La Union, guys. Bro, look!
We've discovered something new.
What was this? Sushi!
She gets dressed up like a pillow, so she's always in bed. Flowers for the sick and dead. She's on the go, way too fast and way too slow. She'll turn the stone in hospitals and funeral homes. And when the fall rises, somebody sighs who is not in disguise anymore. Gasolina, dame la